Good morning, Hoover community. I am Dr. Costa. This is our weekly bulletin for April 7th. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Lots of sunshine out there. Hope you had an opportunity to spend some time with friends and family. Maybe watch a little bit of college basketball. What a tournament on the men's side and the women's side. We have an outstanding wellness team led by Mrs. Ruesga, Mr. Fahey, Mr. Walter, and Miss Mary. They're there to help you out with academics, and if you're having conflicts with peers or teachers or families, they are there to help you out. So please get a pass and go visit the wellness team. Our academic goals for this year continue to be an increase in academic achievement by 3 to 5% in literacy and math, and then improvement in sense of belonging, identity, and agency by 5 to 7%. We are focusing on student cognitive engagement, increasing effort, persistence, self-regulation, and connection making. This is our wonderful growth from Diagnostic 1 to Diagnostic 3 in reading. These are steps in our journey towards success in our SBAC testing coming up right after spring break. So we are making great progress. We need to continue the focus, the cognitive engagement, so that we can succeed on our big assessment at the end of the year. This is what our results look like in math. From Diagnostic 1 to Diagnostic 3, we saw 18% improvement. Great job, scholars. This is our calendar for this week. It is a busy week. We've got Student of the Quarter going on. We've got success assemblies going on. There's no meeting Thursday for faculty, but there is an expectation that we're checking in with our Highlander students. We've got a soccer match this week versus Nelson. Boys are at Nelson. Girls are home. Department chairs, I think we're going to punt on this week's meeting. I think we could cover tomorrow's meeting in an email. See, I think that's it. If you have any questions about this week's calendar, please give us a call in the main office. Next week, spring break. Really looking forward to it. Reminders, clean out backpacks, students and families. No double parking in front of the school or in front of our neighbors' houses. Respect our neighbors, please. No cell phones. No horseplay. If you're in PE, stay in the PE area. If you're not in PE, stay out of the PE area. Please, no selling food or drinks on campus. Teachers, we appreciate your support with hallway supervision. We have standards aligned rigorous tasks and work. We continue to do work on formative assessments and balancing teacher talk and thinking and student talk and thinking. We had a great quality core visit last week with the chief academic officer and many other central office administrators. They really like the progress we're making. We'll talk more about that a little bit later. Students, a quick reminder of where you should be at lunchtime. That's the green area. At lunch, you are permitted to be in this area at lunch. At lunch, you are not permitted to be in the red area. Please help us out and stay in supervised areas. Okay, that brings my section of this video to an end. I have a little helper here with me to close out my section. We've got some great videos from Mrs. Clough. Thank you. And be advised, there is some videos with our science class, Miss Lagnato. And we are dissecting frogs, so caution. And lastly, Ellis, take it away. Scholars make dollars and a difference.
Join us today! He's still smiling.
What's it?
Got me.
All right, we are preparing for a blood drill. Thank you. All right, everybody ready?
What is Charlie's failure to understand the test reveal about his personality and ability? I think that he doesn't know how to with the test or whatever. It's the pictures or the people, and he doesn't know the background and how to make stuff up and think deeper into what he's saying. And it shows his personality is very literal, and he takes things very seriously, and he doesn't
I put that he can't think very creatively and he can't really form images in his head. Sometimes he tries too hard to look and sound smart, so he ends up overcomplicating things, and that leads him to fail his test.
What do you think, Clive?
I could that he can't understand.
What type of test does the nice young man give Charlie?
Anyone here thematic? Yeah, sorry.
He gives him a psychological test where they pour ink on white cards to see what is if they're crazy or they're just a normal person.
I put it's the thematic apprehension test in paragraph 9.
What does Charlie's failure to understand the test reveal about his personality and ability?
I saw how he kept persevering and was confident even with his failures. Examples how he kept asking for more attempts and excuses to help him succeed the test, even though they told him that he would fail.
This week's Athlete of the Week is Juliana. She had a really good soccer game. And last week was Allison. She really hustled and tried hard.
Push up! Mid, push up! You got time. Good pull. Center it. Yeah, just try your best. Go, Gabriel. Whenever you're ready.
Oh, Mia, Peter. Good, Ava. That's good. Get that, Ava. Get it again. Again. Before she does. Good.
Turn it outside. Just kick it. Just kick it.
I mean, better than them closing on her, but still. Watch Marcella. It's not Marcella.
It's tongue cut. It's tongue cut.
And the eyes, or you guys have to bet on it?
how's it going?
I think we need new scissors. These ones are not working.
Here, let me just try. I'm gonna touch the frog. Oh no! I just ripped the eggs out.
There you go. So grab some eggs. Oh, very nice. You have a female frog, right?
Yeah, a female frog.
Good idea, right? Don't cut anything out till you know what it is.
Yeah, you're not supposed to eat them. Who said I was gonna eat it? Don't throw up.
Oh, it doesn't even have a skeleton?
What the heck?
Is that a sliver or no?
Wait, we never know. We gotta.